play. The king goes in first, and then this knight rider comes in this way. I don't know if I'm being way too slow about my approach. I am allowing the opponent to complete a decent number of promotions, but I think it's my best chance. I mean, they're doing a good job by covering this space. You can imagine that's kind of a critical square, so maybe I'll go for that first. I'll go in with my king or my queen or somebody and allow them to take so I can take back my queen. If they don't, then I'm going to walk straight in and capture that archbishop so nobody's covered into the square anymore. Okay, so I can definitely take. I only have 54 moves left. I mean, it goes by a little more slowly than I thought. Like, I've eliminated a decent number of green's pieces, and we're still not that far into the game. I'm sure that when we get down to 15 or 20 moves, I'll start definitely feeling the pressure, but for the time being, I think we're doing all right. Okay, so we need more pieces covering this square. Yeah, this army of kings is so difficult to move through. I mean, you can imagine I can just bring in another king. The problem is it's just a very slow piece. I guess the question I'm trying to answer is, which one is slower? What on earth is that? Oh my goodness, what kind of two-eyed Demogorgon demon thing is that? Okay, I don't even want to find out. It looks like a hat. If I make fun of it, it can't hurt me, right? Okay, they're going in for another one, we imagine. I have no idea what this piece is or what it does. Okay, we'll go this, so it's not hanging an archbishop for no reason. Okay, they take that, which means I can come in with the king. Okay, we're down to 49 moves. I feel like I'm being way too slow about this. I just moved the camel out of the way anyways. Okay, how do I go about this? I need to bring in faster pieces. So let's go like this. We'll start bringing in some knight riders. I think that's my best chance. I'm just going to not focus on trying to use my kings too much. I'm just going to go in with all of my knight riders and try to play for an attack. You can see this knight rider jumps all the way across the board. He's like knight once, twice, and thrice. Okay, what just happened? I don't know how that camel got over there. Oh, it's a camel rider. So it moved like a camel once, and then moved like a camel twice. What is that? It just moved through a wall. Oh my goodness, thank goodness I don't have a king, for example, back here that I have to protect, because no doubt the opponent would have a piece over here that somehow moves like this, like that, and then captures my king, and I wouldn't be any wiser to it. Okay, they take the archbishop. Can I use this to my advantage? Not really, but I can bring in the knight rider, which is, I guess, okay. I do have 21 seconds though. We have 5 seconds delay. And I have 33 moves to grab that general. Okay, let's go going in for the soldier, and I'm trying to go in from behind, almost like a back range mate sort of thing. I just realized I forgot to mention that as well. In this variant, you get 5 seconds of delay. Okay, we're going to move this way if I target the general right now. So how do I cover that square? I'm not really sure, but I'm just going to bring in more pieces. And
this powerful heater can heat up any room in seconds without the high electricity costs. This space heater,
until I figure it out. Okay, I'm targeting this soldier now, which is good, which does target the general, although I just realized the general can take back. Right, because it moves like a knight. Okay, we'll just go in and try to capture all of these pieces, and hopefully in 38 moves, I can find a way to bring in another piece and actually deliver mates. Okay, so we do threaten the general, the king and the queen protect each other, which is fine. For the time being, that will certainly do. Let's threaten the general again. Should be totally safe, the king can't touch us, and I believe the soldier moves this way. Oh, they do take, which means I can take back, and with that, we win our third game of Thermopylae. I don't think there's anything to analyze. I just want to play with green pieces. So, we are 2 for 3 at the moment. I feel kind of bad. They put triple question mark in the chat. I'm going to say, good game. I mean, as much as I would love to sit here and explain the rules to them, it was more than enough of a headache for me to go and understand them myself.